U-Zukisa Tshabile uvele kwesibili enkantolo kanti ukuhlehliselwa unyaka ozayo kwaleli cala kukhathaza kakhulu umndeni kaLoyiso njengoba uZukisa vele noxhaxha lwamanye amacala.
We are not dealing with just like a small town, robber or something like that. We're actually dealing with a very sophisticated criminal or hardcore criminal who's got so many cases pending already of the things that he's done.
Abasinda ngokulambisa isigamekweni okwabulawa kiso uNkohla bachaza ngokwenzeka ngalolu suku eFilipi.
On that Monday, we first opened the meeting with a prayer. After the prayer, the agenda, it was not even a minute after. We said, amen. The guys just came in and started shooting. And then Mr. Loyiso, he fell in front of me, Mr. Nkohla. And I was like in a corner side. I could not go anywhere. At that moment, I was 35 weeks pregnant with my baby. And I didn't notice that I was shot because I was shot 8 times and 1 retrained bullet in my thigh.
uNkohla wayaziwa ngokulwela amalungelo abantu abaqhamuka emphakathini ebukeleka phansi eKapa.
Ever since kwabulawa uLoyiso phambi kwethu asikho right kakhulu, akumnandanga kubhlungu nyani ngoba ngoku kuza ngoDisemba ngoku abantwana bethu asiyazi babazawuthini ngoba uLoyiso ngesizwe emsebenzini ngawo lo msusu baye bekhona.
Leli cala lihlehliselwe umhla zi-15 kuNhlolanja wonyaka ozayo kanti uTshabile usazogcinwa esitokisini.